Hi, my name is Scott Ryerson with MarineMax here in Greenville, South Carolina, and I'm going to give you a video walkthrough of our newly arrived 2021 Yamaha 252 Fish SP. This boat is a 25-foot boat, fishing boat, twin motor with the fiberglass hardtop T-top. You have the nice removable cushions up front, or you can take them out and stand here all for fishing, or you can just walk up the front here and fish off the middle and leave the pads in. You got the nice grab rails, cup holders, and the front speakers. Huge bait tank right here, or live well, whichever you want to use it for. All see-through, and then storage off on this side. Both doors open up, locker storage for all kinds of stuff and your tackle. A flip-up front seat, extremely big, with a big changing room and a nice deep storage area down in there. Also, you can use this for a portable bathroom. Rod holders on both sides of the gunnel, going down both sides, and then you have your leaning post pads down the side of the boat. Has the snap-in SeaDek carping throughout the whole boat, so you can pull this out if you want to, clean it, take it out if you just don't want it in, but it's very nice, comfortable on the feet, easy to take in and out. It's got the awesome deluxe seat with the flip-up bolsters on both sides. Makes it nice if you just want to lean, or if you like to sit. It's very comfortable. We got the dual throttle. It is a twin engine. We have the 12-inch Simrad, chart plotting, fish finding, full Simrad GPS. Then your Yamaha Smart Gauge over here. Up here you do have your nice fiberglass hardtop speakers, rear spreader lights, spreader light up there. Turn it around, you got two little jump seats here with storage under both seats. Your batteries are under here. This is the engine compartment here. Then another bait tank back here in the back of the boat. Great thing about this boat also, it still has what's so unique to Yamaha is their aft end of the boat here. You have the nice comfortable pads, and you can sit back here and hang out. You got the stereo transom remote and some cup holders. You got a place to put a table back here. So just a nice feature that Yamaha still has, and you also have the ladder to not only fish with this boat, but still have some family fun and hanging out on it also. Nice pop-up cleats around the whole boat. Dual axle trailer, Shorelander trailer. Front cleat to tie off on the front. Give you a nice profile view of this boat. This is a great boat. Come on out to MarineMax at Greenville in South Carolina and check out this Yamaha 252 FSH fish boat, or check us out at MarineMax, MarineMaxGreenville.com.